We here with NJ. What's up? What's up? Y'all already know what it is. You know what it is. You know what it is. Y'all know what it is. King 20 building was good. Was popping. Here with NJ. Here, dark as the intro. We found this little kitty. Here, kitty. Oh,
Come to my house.
She came to his house. I already got 3. She said, we already got 3 cats. There's my RV over there. We're gonna go camping trip. Hint, spoiler. Oh no. Cowboys.
You know the door's open, right?
Remember the trip that I was talking about? Is it focused on me?
Yeah.
Remember the trip that I was talking about?
He's gonna go noodling.
Quicker, I'm gonna do this. Remember the trip that I was talking about? The special trip. It has to do with the RV. And the fishing pole, and I wanna
go night-night.
Good night, right there. That's all white eggs. Alright, yeah, so we found this kitty. We found this kitty and it's pregnant. So I put it in this tiny little box. You know what it is when it was good. I don't want to bother her too much because she's eating. Railroad train. Oh crap! She's railroad train. And yeah. Dance for me, go. Hey. Yeah, so that's it. If you like this video, more videos like this one, make sure you
like
and
subscribe.
until next time.
Peace.